Hello learners, this is Habiba with Excel with me. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Today we are going to start with a fresh unit, that is research in education, with the topic meaning and scope of educational research. That is the basic concept we need to understand before entering into the research topic. Let's start with the introduction. Research purifies human lifestyle. That is, whatever the human beings they are doing, they will change their behavior according to the situations. That is, whatever they have done, they will research, and then whatever past experience is there, according to that they will modify and changes go on. As a result, we are in the technical world. How the traditional life was previously and now where we are moving forward. That is, because of this research, we are changing our lifestyles. It improves its best. Obviously, whatever the past one is, upon that best things we will take up and we will move forward. It is search for information. Obviously, whatever unknown facts are there, we will search for that again. That is for the information. It indicates how to solve any problem scientifically. Yes, with proof. How to solve any problem scientifically, this research will teach us. Then it is a cautious inquiry through search for any form of knowledge. We will be cautious. We will not search just like anything. Systematically we do things. Cautiously we inquire what we want to find a solution for any problem. It is a journey from recognized to unknown, that is known to unknown. Whatever we are knowing, we will search for the knowledge which we don't know. It is a systematic attempt to benefit new understanding in any sort of area. Obviously, it's a systematic attempt. We cannot do anything just like that. We will clearly understand what is the research system, how it works, how to do the research things and all we will learn in future. Then when it seeks a solution of any educational hassle, it leads to educational research. Yes, when we are in trouble, we are not understanding any educational situations, we will go past and we will search things and then we will move forward. We will do educational research also for new findings and solutions. Now, what is the meaning of, literal meaning of educational research? Let's understand here. Educational research refers to a systematic attempt to gain a better understanding of the educational process, generally with a view in improving its efficiency. Obviously, if anything is not working properly, we want that to work efficiently, so that what we will do, we will have the better understanding through research, searching again and again for that too systematically, for better understanding. It is an application of scientific method to the study of educational problems. Now, education plus research. What is education? That is knowledge, gaining knowledge. And what is research? Searching again and again. Now what we are doing? Searching again and again whatever problems related to education, that is educational problems. This is the scientific method of searching any solution for educational problems. Now let's understand definitions here of educational research given by Mulay. Any systematic study designed to promote the development of education as a science can be considered educational research. Obviously, whatever systematic study we are designing, already pre-planned things. Why? To promote development of education. We want development of education. If education is developed, everything will be sorted out, because national development, international understanding, everything is dependent on education, that too in a scientific way. It's a science, that is to inquire whatever educational problems are there related, they will search and find the solutions. As a result, we have also reached to the moon because of all the researches they have done scientifically. Then Crawford given one definition here, that is, educational research is a systematic and refined technique of thinking using special tools in order to obtain a mere adequate solution of a problem. Obviously, if we want to find any solution, we cannot just go and do things. We think about it, we will plan, we will design things, and also we will use some tools or some techniques to obtain any best solution for any problem. Now, what are the characteristics? Let's quickly see here. It is highly purposeful. Obviously, without any purpose, nobody will do anything. So, it's highly purposeful. It deals with educational problems regarding students and teachers as well, both for students and teachers, also institutions also. It is precise, objective, scientific and systematic process of investigation. Obviously, it's precise, no vague answers, precise answer will come, and there are some objectives why we are doing this research. That is very important, to form some objectives, that is predetermined statements we will have, so that we can do better research, and scientific and systematic process of searching for something, investigating, innovation. It attempts to organize data quantitatively and qualitatively to arrive at statistical inferences. So, for assumptions, what we will do? We will organize all the data what we have collected through maybe interviews, questionnaires, whatever tools and techniques we are using. It may be quantitatively we can take or qualitatively. Then we will do all the statistics to that, and then we will come to the conclusion. It discovers new facts in new perspective, that is, it generates new knowledge. Obviously, we will generate new knowledge because of the research. It is based on some philosophic theory. It depends on the researcher's ability, ingenuity and experience for its interpretation and conclusions. When we do any research, we must have some conclusions to it. So, because of that, we will do everything efficiently. It needs interdisciplinary approach for solving educational problem. What is interdisciplinary? That is, different disciplines we will mix together and then we will reach to the problem. We cannot stick to one discipline. We need philosophy, we need psychology, we need technology. All these things together if we take, then only we can reach to the educational solution. Then it depends subjective interpretation and deductive reasoning in some cases. Subjective in the sense whatever we are returning theoretically, all those things, assumptions, we can go from. Deductive means from specific to general. Inductive means particular to general. Then deductive is general to particular. Then it uses classrooms, schools, colleges, Department of Education, then as the laboratory for conducting researches. Obviously, in any maybe social sciences or science, everywhere we need some departments to do all the research work. Now, what is the scope of educational research? Name of educational research changes with the gradual development occurs with respect to knowledge and technology. So, educational research needs to extend its horizon, that is, being scientific study of educational process, it involves, let's see what all the things it involves, that is individuals, that is students, teachers, educational managers, parents, etc. Then institutions, that is schools, colleges, research institutes, etc. So, these are all the processes which will have scientific study. It discovers facts and relationship in order to make educational process more effective. It relates to social sciences like education. So in all the spheres we can do research, especially in education. It's very helpful for further innovative things to come up. It includes process like investigation, planning, collecting data, processing of data, their analysis, interpretation and drawing inferences. So all these things we will discuss in detail in further classes. Here let's understand what all the things includes in research. That is, first investigating what is the problem, then we will plan, then we will collect all the data related to that problem, then we will process the data, then we will analyze and we will come to the interpretations and drawing the inferences or the conclusions. It covers areas from formal education and conformal education as well. Informal education. Both formal and informal. All the areas it will cover. Now let's conclude the topic here. Research is required in any discipline to come up with new theories or modify, accept or nullify the existing theory. From time immemorial, it's been seen so many discoveries and innovations took place through studies, and world has given so many new theories which assist the person to clear up his issues. Yes, research is a very, very disciplined approach. Whatever new theories are there, or to modify or accept any existing theory, we have to do the research work. For discoveries and innovations, it's also very, very important. Researchers like Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, J.C. Bose, John Dewey, Skinner, Piaget have given us theories which might also motive of educational progress and studies desires understanding. So research is the voyage of discovery. It's a big voyage. It's not simple thing. It is the quest for answers to unsolved problems. So we come to the end of this session. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. I'll bring you further topics. Understanding the topics is very, very important. Before attempting any questions, we need to be thorough with the concepts. So I'll bring you all the concepts so that it will be clear for you to attempt any question. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.